Hello Jim, Tech Buzz, new video. I'm looking at the newbie USB headset model H362. Retractable headband, soft memory earpads, rotatable mic, and HD microphone, wide compatible and a mute button. On the back, you just tell us that, and that's it. Compatible with all kinds of mobile devices and computers. So let's open it up and check it out. So inside we're going to get our user manual and our safety guide and all that kind of stuff there. And here is the headset itself with newbie branding on it there. As you can see this mic is retractable like so. You have got your plug-in cable here, which is 3.5mm. But if you use this guy, you can change it over to USB, which will plug into any device that is USB compatible, or if you can use an adapter, say with your phone or anything like that, it will change that over so it can be compatible with such. So here is your controls here on the unit itself. Nice and clicky and simple to use. As you can see, you've also got a mute button on there too for your volume up and down, and newbie written on the back. So what we're going to do is plug it in to our computer. And here you can see that we have got some lights. So that means it's connected and working fine. So what we'll do next is show you it working on the computer itself. So we're all connected up now, so just going to give you a quick overview of the headset here. As you can see, it's got the ratchet style straps on the side here like so, and works really well. Here is your padding here, and they're really comfortable on the ears. It's lightweight. Of course, it's got a wired connection, and you do have some movement here, as you can see, so you're fine on that direction. They do spin around like so. And that's pretty much it, how simple this is. And you can see here that you've got branding nicely placed inside there with a silver accents. So overall it works quite well, and the sound is quite good, and they get very loud as well, which is what I like. But that's my personal preference. You can see you've got comfort underneath the headband here with a leather band, and it works quite well and comfortable and able. It's cool for long-term use. So onto the controls here. As I said, you've got a mute switch up top and up and down with the volume, and they do get quite loud. So we're going to give you a sample of that now in action. So you can see here, by using this, the volume toggle is going down, and you can hear it too through the headphones.
Okay, it's Jim, we're back with the new Garmin sat-nav here.
So you can hear how loud they are there, which is pretty cool. You've also got a mute button here, which turns everything off straight away, and that's pretty much how they're going to work. And you just turn the volume down to bring it back up again, as you can see there. So that's how they work. Simple as. Nice simple headset you can plug into your laptop at home or computer, or a mobile device if you've got a USB on the go port, which will make it convert into USB A, and that's no problem at all. It works quite well. We've tried that and it works, and that's pretty much it on what you're going to get in the box. So we'll drop a link below to where you can pick it up. Do stay tuned for more tech videos on techbuzzworld.com and of course on our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.